Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friends, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video so attractive collection. Trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut and very attractive collection of hair dye and so beautiful collection, trendy collection, most demanding collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful hair dye, very attractive haircut for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I will talk about hair dye. Some ideas: blonde color, ideas burgundy color, black color, grey color, light brown, dark brown, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Blonde highlights, burgundy highlights, and funky colors of highlights. Very attractive haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and a very attractive collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut, and so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, and a beautiful collection of messy hairstyle, spiky hairstyle, and many much more attractive ideas. Most demanding collection of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful hair dye and attractive haircut for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video. Take care and bye bye.